Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thanks so much for coming by. So today's video, guys, is gonna be a little bit different than usual. Actually a lot different. So if you're coming here to expect a crazy Uber and Lyft story or a video on how to be a better rideshare driver, this isn't one of those videos, and this is more of a personal one. And if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Dylan. I've been driving rideshare for about a year and a half now, and I run this YouTube channel called the Rideshare Hub. Recently so this video is you know, probably not gonna get a lot of likes, to say the least. I don't know why, guys, but a lot of people have been giving me thumbs downs on my videos and hate comments, and I don't know, it's like I feel like it's really easy to say, and like I have friends who, like, I show them some of the hate comments and stuff and they're like, oh, you know, don't worry about it, they're just people being people. And I'm like, yeah, but at the same time, like, I read every comment, and when people, let me just really quickly, guys, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Like, some of these comments are just absolutely brutal. Here, I'm gonna go into my own, you're gonna see my own side. I don't have to go like video through video, I can just like pop up all the comments. Even on some of my good videos, like my positive videos, like if you guys, which I'm gonna talk about in a second, why I'm losing all my money. But so I made this video, yeah, so I made this video called tipping Uber drivers 600 bucks, and it didn't get very many views. And then I made another video, and I was thinking, well, maybe I need to have more videos, or maybe I need to tip more. Sorry, someone's texting me. It's like, maybe I need to tip more money. So I know that I did $1,000, and that video got even less views. I'm like, how are people, I mean, how much money do I need to tip in order for people to actually, I don't know why people don't like them. But anyways, I'm trying to look at, there's so many comments. Yeah, like, look at this one. Literally, I tipped this driver $1,000, and like, it was such an amazing video reaction, at least I thought. I mean, yeah, sure, the quality of the video wasn't amazing, which I understand, you know. The watch time was just really low because it was whatever. You know, I understand why I didn't get very many views. I think a reason why I didn't get very many views is because I don't make a lot of videos like that. So I think YouTube was like, you know, whatever. So, but this guy, he comments, clickbait, hey Dylan, why not post your rides? Oh, I forgot, you want to become a YouTuber. You posted why I quit driving for rideshare. You're not even going to, you're not giving each Lyft 1K, snowflake. Like, dude, I'm literally making a video about giving back to drivers. Like, if you watch my videos, and it's like, yeah, I made a video like a year ago talking about why I quit, and it's like, yeah, I didn't quit, I just, you know, everyone, the greatest thing about this job is that you can literally just stop driving and then start driving again whenever you want. At that time, yeah, I stopped driving. It's not like you quit and then you hand in your forms like at a normal job and then you can never work there again. It's like literally you just don't log on for however long you want. What is some of these other comments like? Yeah, this guy. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Rideshare Lolita. You guys see that? This channel is a joke. All your videos are so boring. And I even commented, then why are you watching my videos? Yeah, I don't know. Usually I don't respond to the hate comments. I just like filter them out. All right, can you focus? Yeah, like, but I don't know. Recently okay, that's kind of pointless, but basically, so I recently have been thinking, okay, you know, I need to spend some money in order to get my channel up, and you know, using my rideshare money and just personal savings and stuff. You know, I don't believe in credit cards or anything, so luckily, you know, I'm not into debt or anything, I'm not negative, but, you know, and I set up these I have all these shirts. You know, this stuff costs money, guys. It's not free. And so like, you know, I have these. I have all this stuff here. This Rideshare shirt. This is, I just got these all today. These are all long sleeves there. These are the short sleeve ones. That's the OG one, the original one. That one, this one, this one. I don't know if I went a little overboard with the shirts. You know, usually people only come out with like 1 or 2 designs, but I don't know. I guess what I'm trying to say is that I really feel strongly about this community that we're building, the Rideshare Hub, the Rideshare Hub Club. I really love talking with all the, you know, the positive people in the comment section. Like, even one guy the other day was like, oh, I really like talking in the comments, and I was like, me too. It honestly feels like texting, because, you know, I get them on my phone and I'm just texting. It's like I'm texting a friend. It's really nice. And we have this Facebook group too, which if you're not in, you have to join that. The Facebook group is amazing. The link in that is in the description. But yeah, and with these shirts and stuff, like, okay, so I'm gonna break it down for you guys if you guys care to, you know, listen to me. Spent 600 bucks on the chipping Uber drivers, another 1,000 on the Lyft drivers, a few more 100 on the shirts. Set up this website, merchclub.co. This is my website, guys. We're adding, it's like a, you know, place for influencers. Click on here. This is me. You know, not even just money, but time. Like this takes time. Like we had a photo shoot, had to, you know, pay the photographer. You know, give money to, I mean, the models and stuff. Put all this together. You know, the site costs money to run on its own. I don't know if I'm just like, basically, I thought at this point that I'd be making more money, but I basically, the idea with the tipping videos was so that the videos will get a lot of views and like I can make some money off the ads. But look at the views on this, guys. Like, I don't know what you, okay, at first I thought, okay, whatever, people just don't want to watch it. But then I figured out that because all my videos are about tips and tricks for drivers, that when I make a video that's tipping drivers, that's entertainment. All my other videos are like how to make more tips, whatever. How to be a better driver. This one is entertainment, and my channel is not an entertainment channel. Look at this, guys. I spent $1,000 on this video, plus all the costs of the Ubers. We took 5 Lyfts here. That was like, they're all XLs. It's probably like 75 or 150 bucks. 828 views. This one that I thought was gonna do well, 1,500 views in a week. That's nothing. So I mean, I can show you guys, like, I can show you guys really quickly. I know this isn't like, here, I don't know if you guys want to see this. $7. I made $7 on that, guys. So yeah, and the merch sales are, I mean, thank you to everyone who's bought the shirts. Trust me, I really do appreciate it. They haven't been that great. So I lowered some of the prices too, to go on sale. I was doing the whole discount code thing, and now I just put them all on sale. So like, as you can see here, it's a big sale. I mean, you could, long sleeve is 19 bucks. Some of these shirts are only like that shirt, 17 bucks. Yeah, guys, I don't know why I'm making this video, to be honest, but wow, it's so super blurry. But yeah, I mean, I just like to update you guys every once in a while and just sit down and talk. Usually I would do this in like the form of a live stream so I can talk to you guys live, but I don't know, the quality of my streams have been really bad recently, and I prefer to make, I like this camera because it's better lighting. But anyways, yeah, a couple ways you guys can support me if you do. I know some people have been asking about that. If you're thinking about becoming a driver, if you sign up using my link, then you can, you know, make money there or whatever. You can get a bonus, and then I get a small bonus too. The shirts too, guys, merchclub.co/ridesharehub. You know, that helps a lot as well. I think those are like the two main ways, and watching and sharing my videos, like that. Those are three ways that you guys can support me financially. That's pretty much it. I want to, you know, I want to try to create more of a following, like a community section. So if you guys have any ideas on, you know, how we can grow this community, I want you guys to be just as much of a participant as me. I mean, this is our co-working space. You know, we don't have places where we can get together. And actually in the future, I do want to hold events for drivers, just for Uber and Lyft drivers. And maybe like Via and Juno out in New York if we ever do that. But, you know, actually throwing a party for drivers. I don't know where, either in San Francisco or Los Angeles. I don't know where you guys are able to come, or like in Florida or something, or in, I don't know. Maybe we'll do a Rideshare Hub tour where we hold events. That's probably going to cost a lot of money too. But basically, I have big dreams and plans for the Rideshare Hub, and I don't know. I guess I need to be more frugal with my money, because, you know, if I'm not getting any merch sales or many merch, I mean, actually, thank you to everyone who has bought a shirt. I do appreciate it a lot. It means the world to me. Don't get me wrong, but at this point, it's just not enough to, you know, cover, you know, allow me to do this. Allow me to all the money that I make, I just put it back into the Rideshare Hub, and, you know, tipping drivers and whatever, making videos, videographers, filmers, editors, you know, this stuff, you know, the merch, all this stuff, it's not free. So my computer, camera, there's a lot of expenses, guys. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Shout out to this company, Nexar. If I can open up their box. They sent me this package. Oh, can we open it? This is taking forever to get it open. It's stuck. There we go. They sent me this package. It's a dash cam. If you can see it here. It's just front-facing dash cam. I have a couple of these cameras, but this is one they sent me. And they have I don't know, it comes with a phone charger, I guess. But it's pretty cool, actually. I don't know, I might do a video on them in the future, but shout out to those guys for hooking it up. Yeah. What else? Have I gotten any other products? I've gotten a couple other things, but we'll say that for the future videos. Yeah, I always like receiving stuff. Oh, they sent me this hard drive too. I don't know. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's it for today's video. Basically, I need to make more money so I cannot become homeless. And yeah, it's really stressful, guys. Like, you know, I do this all on my own. I mean, I have people who are in the videos every once in a while, but I'm doing this all on my own, editing and uploading and pretty much everything for the most part. And it can get hard, but I think that's why sometimes it helps to have other people in the videos, so I can not go crazy. I don't know if you guys can relate, but alright guys, thought I'd just put this update video together for you guys. Hope you appreciate it. Alright guys, hope you have a great day. Buy the merch, guys, buy the merch. Link in bio. Link in the description. Alright guys, this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Again, if you're interested in signing up to be an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to get a sign-on bonus, go ahead and use the link in the description below. This has been another episode of the I already said that. Alright, I'm rambling. Alright, have a great day guys. Bye.